Today, y'all, I'm putting my stuff back in this new fridge because the fridge I had before, it was working, but the light went out, and because the light went out, I wasn't able to tell like what temperature the fridge was. So sometimes most of the times it would just be too damn cold, and the shit that's in here will start to get frozen, and that would really mess up like my produce, and really like it messing up a lot of shit. And these type of situations just let me know I'm not ready to be no damn homeowner, because I just cannot imagine at this point in my life paying for these type of emergencies. Like, you know how fucked up it would be if I put some money to the side to damn get a wig or to get a tattoo or something. No, all of a sudden my fridge decided it don't want to work. Yeah, fuck that. That is just a responsibility I am not ready for right now. I'm gonna make another video when I actually go grocery shopping and restock the fridge, because this motherfucker is empty.